everybody, welcome back. Today is the day. It's our big travel day to Walt Disney World.
Driving to the airport right now.
That's right. And tomorrow morning we'll be at Walt Disney World Resort, God willing. Now my daughter Raleigh, she does have type 1 diabetes and celiac, so we packed a lot of food, a lot of medical supplies. I think I have accounted for every type of possible emergency. Famous last words. I would be lying if I didn't say I'm a little bit nervous because it has been over 2 years since we have flown since she was diagnosed with type 1, and we have never flown since she was diagnosed with celiac disease. So that's a little bit of a wild card, but I feel prepared. I've been preparing for 3 days. I tried vlogging about it. I don't know if I did that successfully, but if I did, hopefully I could share a video with you guys. But today is our air travel video. I hope you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe and tap the bell. Don't miss anything Super Cali, you guys. Here we go. Jesse's here. Oh my gosh, Daddy brought his soba noodles in the car with him.
This was the delay. It was a soba delay.
There was a soba delay. Daddy's ready to drive to LA. Oh my gosh, it's happening. This is real. We made really good time. We made it in about 2 hours. I've never done that before from Palm Springs to LA. There's always traffic. So we're gonna get an early dinner at In-N-Out and head to the airport. Yes, you may, but I would like you to try a hamburger and some fries, please. A Diet Coke float. You got it, girl. Okay, we did it. We got our In-N-Out. Get inside my belly. Raleigh and Declan are happy with their fries, and Raleigh just has... What?
I'm not car sick anymore.
Oh, good. I'm so glad.
Because this tastes.
Yeah, is it so good? Your Diet Coke float. Yummy.
Because I'm at the ice cream part.
You're at the ice cream part?
That's why it sounds like that, because it's hard.
Oh, got it. That's the good part, huh? Jesse had to take a work call while we were in the drive-thru. It was kind of funny. So he's finishing his work call. And Raleigh, I almost forgot to give you your insulin. That was scary, but we did it. We remembered. And
I already started eating.
you'd already started drinking it, and it's very sugary. And Declan needs some salt. There is a Maserati behind us, and it's iridescent. It looks like a hologram. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're in La La Land. It's official.
Okay guys, welcome to another video. Today you can watch us literally be tortured.
Thank you, Declan. I can't believe this is happening, you guys. First flight in 2 years as a family. It's like their first ride, the first ride. The people mover. They're putting in a people mover. This is the people mover. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. We'll be on a people mover soon. We'll be on the people mover. What a cool view. Okay. Oh, you want to film? It's so pretty. Wow. I think is this us? Terminal 7? This is us, guys. Okay, here we go. We made it. We're inside the terminal. Okay, this way, you guys. You guys are such good travelers. This is a big deal because this is the first time I've traveled with my kids and they're carrying luggage. Well, they're pulling luggage, but I mean, this is a big deal. I feel calm. I never feel calm when I'm walking through security.
Imagine if this all was full.
Oh, I can't imagine it being full.
Look behind you.
because the last time I flew, it was full. I know, isn't it crazy? I thought it would be more crowded for sure. Terrazzo! Daddy asked what kind of floors are these? We know. So this is wild. I'm used to security being pretty busy, but it's also a Monday night. Let's just say the security guard who helped me find my phone, because yes, it got lost through going through security, was an angel. We got to the terminal! Oh my gosh. Everything has been so easy except that bit where I lost my phone temporarily. We are at our gate waiting for our plane. We have some time. Thankfully, we really padded the schedule because it is story time. I lost my phone in security. It was insane. It didn't even start with that. Raleigh, because she has type 1 and celiac disease, type 1 diabetes, we have to travel with candy, apple juice, liquids. It's all of her medical supplies that she needs while we're here and traveling. I have to get all these tests. I have to get frisked, like head to toe, the whole thing. I'm going through this whole security process. It's taking forever. We have all these bags, all this food, liquids, electronics. I have hard drives, and I'm stressed because I can't find my cell phone or my shoes anywhere. And like 20 minutes go by. I had put it in do not disturb mode because I was filming. And so Jesse, he can't call it. They can't call it. The security guard that was helping us here at LAX was so friendly. He ran all of our bags through the security again, looking for the cell phone. So they didn't find any cell phones in any of our bags. I knew it because I keep it right here, like right in my fanny pack, like right below my waist. I knew it wasn't in there. I checked it 3 times. I feel my cell phone. I'm telling the story of me losing my cell phone. Raleigh is here with us. She found me. Say hi. She's got her own little cubby and swivel chair. Just be careful, just be careful. We're in different cubby holes. Oh, Raleigh, oh. At this point, I haven't found my phone. I'm really stressing out. And they found a cell phone. It was like a rainbow pink case. Mine's a pink case. And they're like, is this your phone? Thinking this is her phone. It's not my phone. So I'm thinking maybe someone took my phone and left their phone, and my phone is somewhere in the airport. I had it in do not disturb mode, so again, I couldn't just call it. I couldn't just be like, hey, do you have my phone? I couldn't figure out where it was. So finally, he's like, okay, clearly it's not in any of her bags. It's not in any of her pockets. So he let me come in and look at all the security footage, and he was able to watch me come in, put my cell phone in the bucket, go through, it went through security, it came back to me. I quickly unload it. Someone's asking me about the apple juices. I put the bin back on top, and my phone is, you could see in the overhead camera, my phone is still in it, and I just don't see it because it's like over my head. He went over to the bins, found it, he found my phone, you guys. It was like, there was a point where I thought my phone was like on its way to somewhere else in the airport, and then he found it. And he gave the kids stickers. He gave the kids the junior officer badges. He was so sweet. He was my angel today. Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
You guys got honorary badges because you were so helpful finding my cell phone. Oh, look at that badge. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so good to have my phone back. Holy moly. And he was so sweet, because he told me, he said, take this TSA number. You have a daughter with a disability. If you call and you tell TSA when you're arriving with your daughter, they will open up a separate lane for you so you can go through this process without it being too stressful, because it is really stressful. So he was my angel today. It was meant to happen, so now I know about what TSA does for people with disabilities. So we'll do that next time. And thankfully, we have lots of time. All right, how are you feeling, Raleigh?
I'm so excited. Full cars.
She's like charging. Raleigh's so excited. She's getting on a plane for the first time in 2 years. Woo!
Raleigh, you know what this is called? The jetway.
You're in the jetway. Thank you.
All exits are marked with overhead signs.
Oh, we're about to take off.
Remember,
It's been so long.
I will take a video.
Oh, Raleigh's gonna take a video. She's just like me. She's doing a vlog.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Mom, are you excited?
I'm so excited, but I can't wait to be in the air.
Mommy's filming too.
I'll be, yeah, hi.
Should you need it, you'll find the life vest. The water activated light in a pouch, an oxygen mask.
How are you doing, Dad?
My stomach's gonna go out of my body.
Oh no, oh no. I hope not.
Blue and red.
You see all the lights? Those are the different runways. The lights are the runways.
Okay, that's kind of crazy. I'm just slightly nervous for the beginning because it's like I'm nervous of not flying up. I'm nervous of my stomach like going out, which will happen.
Maybe
always
not,
happens.
maybe not. Oh, it does? You
Yeah.
remember that happening when you were little?
It always happens.
I didn't know that.
Like,
I didn't know that about
It feels
you.
like your stomach is going out. When you,
Oh
like,
look,
go up.
Jesse, there's an ad for Wonder Woman. I'm finally gonna finish Wonder Woman. I started it at my dad's house a long time ago, and I'm going to finish it on this flight. It is happening
Oh, jeez.
so fast. Oh, it's so crazy. I can't believe we can do this.
I do not like this. My stomach is going out already. My stomach went to my butt.
There's
I
LA.
don't like sea.
Bye bye, big city of
I
dreams.
don't like sea.
Sleep well.
I don't like sea. I don't like sea.
So you don't like it? I thought you liked flying.
Kinda.
Now you're like, oh, I don't know about this. I'm high. I'm really high.
Okay.
I think you could do Space Mountain if you can fly in an airplane.
Oh, hell no.
That got the big H-E-L-L, huh? I know, it's Wonder Woman. I'm excited.
This is spoiling.
I know, spoiler alert. Here we come, Orlando. Here we come, one grumpy family arriving soon.
Whoa.
And then they apply the brakes.
Oh, geez.
Oh my gosh.
If we didn't have seatbelts.
It's good. Well, that's why you have to make sure your seatbelts are on.
Yeah, we just like
Oh my gosh.
splat
That
to
was
that.
intense. Splat.
Yeah.
Well, we're on the ground. That's a good feeling.
Yeah.
We're here.
We're in Orlando.
We're in Orlando.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. The sun is rising. It's so pretty with that tower. Did you see the control tower?
Well,
It's
yeah.
getting lighter. We have arrived. I don't know that I've ever been to this airport. I think I've been to Florida, but not to, we usually fly into Miami. But here we are. We're about to go get on Mickey's Magical Express. Woohoo! Raleigh's excited. I didn't really sleep, you guys, but Raleigh and Declan got a little bit of sleep, about 3 hours.
I did not sleep.
Oh, I watched you sleep, silly goose. Whoa! Oh, you guys are so sweet. I don't know that they can see you. Here we go.
Trains and automobiles.
Soon it'll be the monorail. Yeah. Woo! That's a quick ride. Whoa. Yeah, it's hard to
Please
see.
stand clear of
Whoa!
doors and hold onto
Yeah, because you're going to see us.
When the APM stops, please exit and follow the sign.
Raleigh spotted it, the first sign of Walt Disney World Resort. There's all these other parks. We're just going to have to come back. There's too much to do. We'll have to be back. I'm already planning my next trip in my head. Disney's Magical Express. There's a sign. It's got a little Mickey. There's a hidden Mickey on the bus. Oh my gosh, there's a Disney store, but it's closed. It's too early. Cool, Raleigh. There's gonna be so much shopping too. Oh goodness. I see it. I see lots of Mickeys everywhere we turn. This is exciting.
Good news.
They've got the cartoons playing. Oh, feel that muggy air. I love it. Hi. Fun. Pop Century. Woohoo. We're rows 3 and 4. We're designated rows. So look for 3 and 4.
Oh, you were right.
The Pop Century. We made it. Wow, that was way smoother. Minus losing my cell phone. Everything went really smooth. That was a pretty easy trip. Minus the, almost not going on the trip. We did it. We're here. Yay. Woohoo. We have arrived.
Backflip, but you miserably failed. This is what happens every single time I try to. Wait, don't do that again.
All right, let's see this secret bed. These are cool, very groovy curtains here. I love the Mickey poster and the lights.
Wait, does it go on top of the table?
Let's see what happens.
Yes, on top of the table.
Watch out, Raleigh. Move the chair.
Table.
Whoa. 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 It's Pluto dreaming of his bones. Wow, that's cool. Oh,
Who
no.
wants this bed?
Me! We can share it. Yeah, let's share it.
Thank you for coming with us on our journey from LAX to Orlando. We made it. I'm exhausted. I may not have slept on that red eye. I truly have red eyes. So now we're just gonna rest and then we'll go down to the pool, and I can't wait to share more of this amazing week with you guys. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time in Super Cali Land. Bye.